So here, what are we going to do? So the first step again is to take a look the coefficient of your x squared and y squared. So here we have 1/4. So it's not 1, but 1/4. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 1/4. Okay? So let's do it slowly. 1/4, let's start on the left. Okay? 1/4 divided by x squared, 1/4 x squared divided by 1/4 is just simply as x squared. 1/4 y squared divided by 1/4 is y squared. 8x divided by 1/4. All right, this would be 32x. All right. If you're wondering how I got 32x, right? I have 8x divided by 1/4. You see, this is a fraction overall, but a complicated one.